Hello, welcome back, and this one could be quite quick. This ZX Spectrum Plus 2 A is one of Paul's machines, and it says works, no load, noisy tape deck, keyboard now works. So Paul's already fixed the keyboard, but the tape deck needs a service and it needs a small repair. Let's try it first. So let's switch it on first and make sure that we've got an output. Excellent. So if I hit play on the tape deck, you can hear the horrible noise coming from in the tape deck. So I'm not even going to try and load. I was going to try loading a game, but there's no point. I know what's going on here, and I know how to fix it. So let's get on with it. So everything here, all good. I don't need to touch that at all. And there's two problems here. Ugh. One is the drive belt is probably, I mean, it's just out of shape, and it feels a bit hard and not very elastic. I've got some new ones here. I'll put one of those in a bit, but I'm not going to do that yet because there's a few things I need to do first. I do like to clean these contacts here. There's a leaf switch here that when you press play, you can see that leaf switch is pushed together, and without that making good contact, nothing's going to work. So I got a very fine piece of 2000 grit sandpaper here with a bit of contact cleaner on it. I'll put it in between those two contacts, hold them together and just give them a little scrub. It doesn't need a lot. I don't want to wear the contacts away. I just want to take off any corrosion or oxidization or detritus that might be on there. Right, the next thing to do is to take this tape deck out. Well, that screw is just spinning. Might be part of the problem. There's two screws here that are earthed, that are connecting the earth to the chassis, and if they aren't, they connect to the earth from one side of the PCB to the other, and if they aren't, this one was quite loose as well. This one here was quite loose as well, but this one is spinning. Oh, it's nipping up now. Right, so if that wasn't making good contact, then that might have been part of the problem as well. I've also got the LED board here. Now we've got the tape deck liberated, I can show you where the problem is. There's a few things that I need to do. One is to clean this pinch roller to make sure that that's making good contact with the capstan there. And another thing I need to do is sort out this bit here. So in here is a small piece of plastic that's in... Oh, come on, focus. There's a small piece of plastic in here that is on a spring, and that is not meant to be up. It's meant to be friction fitted into that section there. This is part of the pause mechanism, so you can see the pause activating. But that is rubbing against the bottom of the flywheel, so you can hear it. But if I push that away from the flywheel spins nice and freely. Let it go. So that's the problem. That's what's going on here. So I need to bend this away a little bit, lift this up, and then just poke a little bit of super glue into the end here, and then push it back down, and hopefully, if I can hold it in place, that will fix it. But it's a really fiddly thing, and it's going to be impossible for me to do it on camera, but I'm basically going to get one of my lovely bamboo skewers, sharpen the end up, get some super glue on a piece of tape over here, and then jab it in there, just in there. Right, that should do it. Let's get a belt on this. Actually, is it clean? It's all right. Looks good. Right, while the tape deck is not in the board, I can actually just drop it in here and connect it up. I'll put that on there for a sec. And a keyboard, I need a keyboard, otherwise I can't tell it to load. And power. Make sure it's the hell is going on there? Right, so it didn't take. This actually glued the pause mechanism. So what I'm doing this time is I've pushed that little bit down and I'm wiggling the pause mechanism so that that doesn't get glued. Right, everything is now moving as it should. Now let's try it. Oh, I haven't cleaned the capstan. I need to clean the capstan. And the heads. Try again. Okay, let's stick a tape in and see if it does what it's supposed to do. Hey, that's all I need to do for this one. It's fixed. The tape deck is working perfectly and nothing else is broken, so I'm just going to put all this back together and send it back to Paul. I'll see you in the next one.